Rich and single.
I'll be broke and in love for sure.
Broke and in love.
I feel like you need to know who the fuck you are first before you actually try to date someone.
Guys that are still a liar because modern dating doesn't still cure liars.
Leave situationships back in 2024.
Emotional cheating is the worst. I swear.
Get the fuck out of here.
Everyone has a past.
It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter.
Say yes, don't lie. Say yes.
You tell me, it shouldn't matter.
It doesn't matter to me, but to him, it matters.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys. All right. Attention. Come in here. All right, guys. So, what do
You can't leave.
Let's start. Okay. Would you rather be rich and single or broke and in love?
Broke and in love. Rich and single.
Rich and single.
Rich and single. Rich and single.
Broke and in love.
Rich and single.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love. Rich and single.
I'll be broke and in love for sure.
Rich and single.
Rich and single. Broke and in love.
Rich and single.
I think right now rich and single sounds nice.
Rich and single.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love. I can make money, man. It's fine.
Rich and single all day, all night.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love.
I'll be broke and in love. Rich and single, 100%.
Broke and in love, to be honest. The girlfriend right here.
Rich and single.
All in for the money, yeah?
No way. I feel like if you're in love, then only you can make money. Love within, not like love outside.
I am currently broke and in love. I don't have a choice.
Rich and single. Rich and single.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I already have love, so I'd rather be rich and then single.
Rich and single.
Rich and single.
If you could change one thing about modern dating, what would it be?
I feel like you need to know who the fuck you are first before you actually try to date someone, because otherwise both of you are just gonna ruin each other's lives and be a lesson instead of like a nice fun chapter.
Guys that are still a liar because modern dating doesn't still cure liars.
Fucking hell, bro. Why are they still lying?
Leave situationships back in 2024.
To start with, I would not want to date men our generation.
End the situationships.
Remove the dating apps.
Bring back yearning and bring back like writing poems and shit for people.
Make it easier.
Boys.
I like modern dating. It's like I'll not change anything as such.
People lying so frequently and on your face. I hate that, so I want to change that.
The modern dating scene is so fuck all because everyone just wants casual dating. And that sucks dick, guys! I think the hookup scenes and all, not into that. These dating apps, they're all scammers.
Dating apps, it's really superficial and everything, yeah.
I think I'd let go of the digital era and the phone. I want a love letter.
Don't fucking date. That's my only advice.
Maybe don't date everyone in the city and then try to find your true love, because that's not gonna work out. Just stick to one person. Find one person and make them your true love. Situationship.
Bro, honestly, modern dating doesn't feel like dating. There's no love left.
People not wanting to commit.
People need to be loyal.
I think casual dating or like one night stand. I don't understand that thing. Yeah.
Of course.
No more cheating.
Dating apps, because they're just ruining the vibe. People are just getting infatuated to each other, but they're not actually going to the real qualities that they have. So yeah.
One night stand.
Is emotional cheating worse than physical cheating?
Both.
I think they're both worse.
I feel that physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating. Emotionally, sometimes people can take worse decisions based on emotions. But when it comes to physical cheating, you know that you're going to do something. Like, that's an action that you're going forward with. That's the point.
I think both are bad. Just don't do both. If you're thinking of it, just leave the person and then do whatever you want. Both are bad. I think I have a more complicated answer for this, which is cheating doesn't happen in a vacuum. So you gotta figure out why it happened. So I can't say which one is worse, but they both need to be addressed. I feel emotional cheating is more bad. Because men usually cheat with their dicks. Emotional cheating sucks, because if we girls did the same thing, it would hurt the shit out of them.
Yes, it's very hurtful, it's very painful.
Physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating. I don't think so that anything could be on top of physical cheating.
Emotional cheating is worse because before the physical cheating comes emotional cheating. So I think it's worse.
Emotional cheating and physical cheating is totally different, but it's all cheating at the end of the day.
Physical cheating is worse. Emotional cheating, I think I'd take him to therapy.
Emotional cheating is worse.
Emotional cheating.
Why?
because that's when it matters.
Cheating is cheating, both bad.
Emotional, yeah, because it's more like related to the heart.
If you fall in love with someone else, I think that's worse.
They're worse equally.
Yeah. Actually, both of them are worse. Cheating in general is worse. I think you're cheating with yourself if you're trying to cheat.
I think physical cheating is worse.
Why?
Because it's physical, like it's, you can put value to it. Like, I mean, something's happened, so yeah.
And why?
Physical cheating
Why?
Physical cheating is not worse than emotional cheating. Sorry, I had to take it back. Emotional cheating is the worst. I think y'all are assholes if y'all don't understand what is the key to the women's heart.
Yeah, emotional cheating is the worst. I swear.
Get the fuck out of here.
Does body count matter in a relationship?
Absolutely, it does.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No, it doesn't matter at all actually. Because it's your past. And the past never matters as long as you're invested in the future.
I mean, honestly, it's not that deep. You have a past, you do whatever you did. When you're with someone, how you are, that's all that matters. Very honestly. Whether your body counts 1 or like 100, it doesn't really matter. No, it does. No,
Shouldn't.
No?
No.
not really, not at all.
Not really.
No, it builds experience.
No. Yes.
Everyone has a past. It's really about who you are when you're with someone and just honoring that commitment, and everything outside of that is up to you. But again, at your discretion of how you want to treat yourself.
No.
No fucking way, not at all.
I don't think so.
Not really, because if somebody asks us,
Yeah, exactly.
we are gonna get fucked.
No.
Not really, if it's before the relation, so it doesn't matter to me.
It does after a certain number.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it does.
It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't.
Say yes, don't lie. Say yes.
You tell me, should it matter? or
It
not?
doesn't matter to me, but to him, it matters.
Yeah.
Of course not.
Yeah.
Who counts that? I mean, like, if the boy is loyal and he's changing himself, then it's fine.
What should be your partner's ideal body count?
0,
1.
2, 1,
4 to 5,
Maybe like 10 or 15.
12 to 15. Yeah, exactly.
It could be infinity. It's okay.
Infinity, bro.
I'm not that brave, but yeah.
0. Yeah, I'd love a 0. 5, I guess. I don't know. 5, 4, 10 is a lot.
0.